If Grammarly is not checking your writing suggestions correctly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. Whether Grammarly is not showing errors, not loading on your document page, or simply stopping halfway through a long file, these troubleshooting tips can usually get it working again fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, go to the page where you're writing your document and look for the Grammarly icon in your browser toolbar. Click the Grammarly icon and check whether the option that says "Check for writing suggestions on this website" is turned on. If it's off, turn it on right away. This setting needs to be enabled for Grammarly to scan the current website properly, so this is always the first thing to verify. Next, right-click the Grammarly icon in your browser and open Manage Extension. From there, check the site access permissions. You want Grammarly set to on all sites, or at the very least, allowed explicitly for the current editor or document URL you're using. If Grammarly does not have the right site access, it may not be able to read the text box at all, even if the extension is installed correctly. If Grammarly still is not responding, the next thing to do is force your browser to reload everything from scratch. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5. On Mac, press Command, Shift and R. This is called a hard refresh, and it can clear out stuck processes or outdated page data that may be preventing Grammarly from reloading correctly on your document page. Now check the length of your document. If the active file is extremely large, especially if it goes beyond about 30 pages or around 150,000 characters, Grammarly may stop tracking edits properly. This is a common issue with very long documents. If that sounds like your situation, try splitting the text into smaller files and testing Grammarly again on a shorter document. That alone can often solve the problem. If the issue continues, clear your browser's cookies and cached files, but only for Grammarly and your text editor's website. Then log out of your Grammarly account and log back in again. This refreshes your session and can fix corrupted login data or broken cache files that may be interfering with the extension. Another important step is to temporarily disable any other browser extensions you have installed, especially ad blockers, auto translators, grammar tools, or competing spell checkers. These extensions can interfere with Grammarly and prevent it from scanning text boxes properly. After disabling them, reload your document page and test Grammarly again. You should also check your network setup. If you are using a VPN, proxy, or strict antivirus web shield, disconnect it temporarily and try again. Grammarly depends on a live data connection and uses WebSockets to communicate with its servers, so any network filter that blocks that connection can stop the extension from working as expected. If none of those fixes work, the cleanest solution is often to remove Grammarly completely and reinstall it fresh. Go to your browser's extension settings page, uninstall Grammarly, then restart your browser fully. After that, install Grammarly again from your browser's official web store and sign back in. A fresh install can fix damaged extension files and reset the connection. At this point, Grammarly should be checking your writing suggestions again on your document page. If it is, great, you're back in business. If not, go back through the steps one more time in order, because the problem is usually one of permissions, cache, browser conflicts, or network restrictions. If this guide helped you fix Grammarly error checking, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.